Welcome to Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker here at the New York Stock Exchange, bringing you a review of this week's stock market. On Monday, existing home sales for January were released, dropping a disappointing 4.9% month-to-month. Economists say existing homeowners are staying put longer due to economic uncertainty, and this is creating a supply shortage, which in turn keeps prices high and lowers sales. On Tuesday, Fed Chair Janet Yellen testified before the Senate Banking Committee and said the magic words: "No rate hike is expected for the next couple of Fed meetings." This led to modest rallies. Consumer confidence for February fell more than expected to 96.4 compared to 102.9 in January. On Wednesday, new home sales for January were better than expected at 481,000 units, only dropping very slightly from the previous month. Oil futures increased slightly to $51 a barrel. Markets didn't do much, although they hovered close to record highs. On Thursday, the Consumer Price Index for January showed a month-to-month decline of 0.7% thanks to a decline in energy. Durable goods for January were up 2.8% month-to-month after declining 3.7% in the prior month. Jobless claims for the week ending February 21st were unexpectedly high at 313,000, up 31,000. On Friday, the revised fourth quarter GDP came in at 2.2%, down from the original estimate of 2.6%. Also released was pending home sales for existing homes in January. The index rose 1.7% month-to-month and is now 8.4% higher than a year ago. Markets were relatively unchanged on the news. Now let's take a look at some stocks. Aruba Network shares soared over 20% after trading hours Wednesday when rumors surfaced that the technology company is in talks to get acquired by Hewlett-Packard. If in fact these two companies combine, Cisco Systems would face major competition in the wireless equipment sector. Sears Holding Corporation stock plummeted more than 6% on Thursday after reporting its fourth straight year of decreasing earnings. The retailer has taken numerous preventative measures, including cost-cutting and store closures, but this has not been good enough to reverse the downtrend. For the period ended January 31st, Sears lost $150 million or $1.50 per share, while revenues decreased to $8.1 billion from $10.6 billion. Dry Ships reported weak fourth quarter earnings with a $24 million net loss or 4 cents per share, slightly better than the year-ago loss of $24.4 million or 6 cents per share. Net income was reported at only 2 cents per share, missing forecasts of 5 cents per share. The company's stock was down just over 3% on Thursday. CollabRx shares plummeted more than 34% Thursday after the healthcare technology company priced a public offering of 2.4 million shares of common stock at $1.27 per share. This would be the second public offering by CollabRx within a week. The previous offering was priced at $1.25 per share for 3.8 million shares. This is Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker, and I'll see you again next week.